She staggered to her feet, heart pounding, and stepped out onto the platform. To her shock, she found herself back in Grand Central Station, the clock still showing midnight as if no time had passed at all. The station was empty, the train gone. As she caught her breath, Claire noticed something in her hand, the conductor's hat, old and worn, with the name Bennett stitched into the fabric. She dropped it on the platform and hurried toward the exit, vowing never to board the midnight train again. Yet as she walked away, a chilling realization set in. This wasn't over. The train would return for its final passenger, and when it did, she feared she would be unable to resist its call.